Now we will learn the equivalent of personal pronoun there in Urdu. In English we have only one word there, and in Urdu we have three words: unka, 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 unki, 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 unke, unke, unke. Unka is used before masculine singular nouns. Unki is used before feminine singular nouns, and unke is used before masculine and singular plural nouns. Now we will see some examples. Unka daftar, unka daftar, their office. Unka daftar, their office. Unka daftar, their office. Unki kitabein, their books. Unki kitabein, their books. Unki kitabein, their books. Unke qalam, their pens. Unke qalam, their pens. Unke qalam, their pens. یہ ان کا گھر ہے. It is their house. یہ ان کا گھر ہے. It is their house. یہ ان کا گھر ہے. It is their house. یہ ان کی کتاب ہے. It's their book. یہ ان کی کتاب ہے. It is their book. یہ ان کی کتاب ہے. It's their book. یہ ان کے قلم ہیں. These are their pens. یہ ان کے قلم ہیں. These are their pens. یہ ان کے قلم ہیں. These are their pens. ان کے والد کہاں ہیں. Where is their father? ان کے والد کہاں ہیں. Where is their father? ان کے والد کہاں ہیں. Where is their father? ان کی والدہ کہاں ہیں. Where is their mother? ان کی والدہ کہاں ہیں. Where is their mother? ان کی والدہ کہاں ہیں. Where is their mother? ان کے والدین کہاں ہیں. Where are their parents? ان کے والدین کہاں ہیں. Where are their parents? ان کے والدین کہاں ہیں. Where are their parents?